Mr. Ruby, and I'm going to be pulling out Rowan's tooth today, and on my motorcycle. And so let's just tie this up. Here, lean back, and open your mouth.
You don't know how to tie.
Yes, I do.
And your hands taste disgusting.
I'm not going to touch your mouth. I'm not going to touch your mouth. I'm not, I swear. Open up. I can't see. Lean backwards.
Your breath stinks.
Lean backwards.
Your breath stinks.
Lean backwards. I'll hold my breath. No, like this. Okay, I got it. Okay. Now, I'm going to pull his tooth off. It's going to be a little scary. Then why did we want a lot of slack? Okay, this is going to be my last knot. Got it. Okay, let's go. How are you, patient? Let's get this party started.
Oh.
Don't go yet.
Turn it on.
Turn it on.
Going.
Oh, man. That hurt just a little bit. Yeah.
Dear Tooth Fairy, I am sorry I lost my tooth from a motorcycle. I hope you have internet to watch the video on YouTube. Love, Rowan. The end.